Everybody, let's try to create this presentation and see how it's look like. If you like this kind of videos, don't forget to see my another videos. We have many of them, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, you see it has a great effect, and maybe you think it's really hard to create, but I will teach you how easy it is. Okay, at first we need to create a new slide. In the new slide, we insert a shape. Then we delete the shape outline. Then we copy and paste our text in the shape. And then we bigger the text. Delete this to the text to become center. Change the font to Overdrive Sunset. And give it this formattation and make it white. Okay, this is the text. We create 5 of them like here. Let me just copy them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, 6 of them, sorry. And when we create them, we put them in a train like this. Everything is like the way I touched, but I do it more time. Then what we are going to do, we are going to add new slide. In the new slide, we need to insert a circle. It looked like this. Let me just copy this thing here for the measurement. Okay, it's good. And another one. This is good. Okay, now we select both of them and shape outline to none and make them white. You see it's like the first slide, but the curve is a little thinner. The curve can be a little more specific. Let me just show you. Okay, this is like the curve I want. The curve has been created, but we have some, let's say, some work, a small work, that are the important one. We format the shape and then go to shadows and give it the bottom shadow and give it the up shadow. This thing is look better. Then we just copy these two shape and paste them here. Now we copy it another time. Select all the shapes and deselect these two. Press Shift and move it. Okay, and then copy that and do it for several times. Let me just do it. And again copy that and select all of them and deselect these two. Deselect these two, move it. And then another time, Control A, Control for deselecting. You must hold the control in the process. Press Control, hold it, deselect these two, and press Shift, left the control and press Shift. Okay, we created, then we select all of them and set the transition to morph. Now we run it. You see the great effect has been created. If you like this kind of video, we have many of these tutorials in my channel. Don't forget to watch them and like and subscribe. And if you have any question, please ask me in the comments. I will answer you.